Start close. Real close. This is where food reels begin. Not with talking, but with temptation. Press the burger slowly. This is how you turn food into content people crave. Watch that juice drip out of the patty. Hold that shot. Don't rush it. Let the bun sink. Now zoom slightly. Let the cheese speak. That soft, melting, oozing layer, this is your hero shot. People should feel the texture through the screen. Bring in the sound. The light press. The soft squish. These tiny sounds, they matter more than background music. Now comes the connection. Pick it up naturally. Not staged. Pause for half a second. Let the viewer crave it. Take a bite. Slow. Intentional. Let the bite feel real, not acted. Chew. Don't rush this part. Tilt the burger. Show the layers, bun, sauce, patty, cheese. Let the cheese stretch. Close up. Now break it open from the center. Let it tear naturally. Every layer tells a story. Show the inside, juicy, messy, irresistible.